So this person is asking how you do a cost analysis for pickup delivery on mileage, gas processing, and how do you handle when a customer's claim their laundry is damaged? So I guess one would be the cost analysis, and two, how do you handle customer complaints about damage?
Well, about damage, that's interesting. Most of the pickup and delivery customers I have are on the commercial side, so it's uniforms, it's towels, things like that, and so they're done by piece. So I have the opportunity when they come in actually to make some indication of damage or spots that I don't have the chemicals to clear up for them. And I also build a decent relationship with whoever's coordinating it on the customer side, so that I have a means or an avenue to report those back, so that I'm not getting complaints that I didn't take care of it or it happened on our premises. In terms of estimating the costs, just those very same things that were mentioned. You get yourself an Excel spreadsheet and you start, putting all the things that are integral to you doing a wash, dry, and fold: the cost of the detergent, the packaging, the gas, if you're renting a van, yada yada, and you're going to put all of that together on a spreadsheet. And then also do a couple of tests with your assistant, your trainees, or whatever, of how long it's taking them to do a certain amount of clothes. Say 20 or 23 pounds of clothes is about average for me anyway. And how long does it take that person to do it? And then divide it by what they're getting an hour. And you'll come up with something that is reasonable where you can make some money. And it doesn't also hurt to do some competitive intelligence and look at some of your competitors and what they're charging as well, and try to reach something where you're going to make some money and you're also going to be competitive with